In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order in Zoho. To get started, first open your Zoho Books account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the main menu on the left-hand side, because that's where you'll find the sections used for purchasing and vendor management. Having your vendor information ready before you begin can make this process much smoother and help you avoid delays later. Next, click on Purchases. This section is where Zoho Books organizes everything related to buying goods or services for your business. Inside Purchases, you'll be able to manage vendors, bills, and purchase orders, so this is the right place to begin setting things up properly. From there, click on Vendors. The Vendors page is where all your supplier records are stored. If the vendor you want to use for your purchase order is not already listed, you'll need to create a new vendor profile first. Keeping your vendor records complete and accurate is important because the information you enter here can automatically carry over into future transactions and help keep your books organized. Now click Create New Vendor. This will open the vendor creation form where you can enter the necessary details for the supplier. Go through the form carefully and fill out all required information. Depending on your Zoho Books setup, this may include the vendor's business name, contact details, billing address, payment terms, and other relevant information. Make sure the details are correct before moving on, since even small mistakes can cause confusion later when you're tracking purchases or communicating with suppliers. As you fill everything in, pay attention to any mandatory fields marked by the system. If something is missing, Zoho Books may not let you continue until it has been completed. It's also a good habit to review spelling, addresses, and account-related details so your records stay clean and professional. Once you've entered all the necessary details, click Save. This will create the new vendor in Zoho Books and add them to your vendor list so you can use that vendor when creating a purchase order. That's it for this process. After saving, your vendor setup is complete and you're ready to move forward within the purchasing workflow in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.